So my name's Jamie Eyre. I'm the Chief Executive of Embrace the Middle East. We are a Christian development charity. We've been running for 170 years. We work with local Christians across the Middle East. That means Israel, Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, Egypt, Iraq, supporting and serving them, walking with them in their ministries as they serve people in need around them. I'm here today at the governing body to talk about the situation in Gaza and in Israel and the West Bank. We have a range of partners working all across that troubled place, and we're here to share a bit of first-hand news. Simply put, Gaza is a human and humanitarian catastrophe. I've seen nothing like it. There is one simple message. The time to act is now. The time to respond is now. The time to show where we stand in the face of everything that is happening in Gaza is now.